Alright, so my BL Touch doesn't work. Okay, it has some problems. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a Klicky on this. Okay, so I need to turn it around. Okay, let's move everything. Let's turn it around. There you go. Hopefully you can see it. And the clicker probe, here you go. I assembled it. Here you go. It's gonna be click click, and it's gonna go like that. It's gonna be great. First, let's install this into here. So I already unscrewed this bit with 4 wires. Here you go. This goes out. Now I can do other bits. There you go. This can go like that. And you can see here we have a BL Touch or 3D Touch sensor, and I need somehow to get it off. Let's move it like that. There you go, the wires go here. Can I take it off? I can do like this. There you go. Then it comes out. Here you go, BL Touch. 3D Touch, sorry, it's a cheap clone. I had problems with it to set up, so yeah, and I had problems to set it up also directly to the board, and yeah, I don't like it, and I prefer Klicky. Klicky is on my Voron, so yeah, like that. But I need to print one part, so it will go like that. Okay, great. Yeah, so let's first move these cables through like that. There we go. One is here. And another cable here. Right. There you go, and it's gonna go like that. Something like that, and this is gonna go like that, and it's gonna click. Let's see, do I need to bring it a little? Let's screw it back on. Oh, well, yeah, let's screw this back and this. There you go. That's it. Now let's check if it's enough height, and we will be able to do proper. Yeah, that's enough. So that's plenty of space. If it's gonna go completely in, yeah, great. That's good. Alright, let's put a Klicky probe first, and then we're gonna put some yeah, so we're gonna connect it, but first let's put the Klicky probe in. So this He's gonna go like that, and then on the other side we're gonna get this. Okay, so let's do. First we're gonna route some wires very carefully through here. There you go, we have the wires. Okay, so that's here. Then we're gonna put these 2 bolts through here, like that. And on the other side, this gonna go there. There you go, something like that. And it would be nice sometimes to have 3 hands. Unfortunately, I have only 1. Sorry, 2. Can't count. Oh well. Okay. It's caught. Great. Great. So it's gonna be something like that. Here you go. Looks great. Let's yeah, we can put this back in nicely. There you go, that's all done. And again, we're gonna tighten some screws just a little bit. There you go. Looks like all good. So I want to connect it to this board, but as you can see, if I move everything, there you go. So the board is here, the wires are sticking here, not too long, but I think I'm gonna connect to one of these, so I'm not sure. I might be routing it through here and up here, but let me check the manual first and then see how that's gonna go. Alright, so I'm gonna connect to the end stop, and ground is this first one, and then second one is no, the first one is PB6 and the second one is ground, and then voltage. So 5 volts is here, but I need to connect only to PB6 and ground, and that should be fine. There you go, this way if I film it right. So PB6 and ground, and I'm gonna try and connect it like that. So I'm gonna try first to put on the 3-way connector, but only on these, and that's gonna be it. Okay, let's try and do that. Okay, great. There you go. So that's connected. It's very tiny connectors, but well, okay, work what we have. So that's connected. Now the configuration, I'm gonna configure that, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, cool. Okay, let's do some Klicky deploy stuffy. Let me turn on some heat inserts. So I need to do some heat inserts. So 2 is gonna go here. Let's do this. Okay. Okay, great. It's gonna go like that. Cool. That. Yeah, there you go, like that. Great. And then this one's gonna go like that on top. And some screws, of course. The motor's gonna go like that. So the servo. There you go. Great. Let's try. So first I need some heat inserts in here. So hot now. One's done. Another one. And another one is done. Great. I think I might need also to add here, but I'm not sure. I will leave it for now and I'll see. I might need to add a few here, I think. Yeah, let me add. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna reprint it as I did with this one. There you go. Let me move my hand a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. There you go. One and another one. There you go. Great. That's done. So I can turn off the iron. Move it to the side a little bit and can try and put some stuff together. Okay, so this is gonna go like this. So that means keep in mind I'm not looking at the instructions. So here you go. Well, it looks like it should be a little bit bigger motor. Maybe it's for a different kind of motor. It's SG90. Should be alright. Okay, here you go. So it's gonna go like this. And now it needs to go like this. There you go. So it's gonna be here. Yeah, like this. Okay, cool. So we have a holes here. It's very conveniently. And with the motor itself, we have some screws. So I'm gonna take all the screws out. There you go. We have these screws. These screws goes into. I'm gonna grab there you go, bit here, and these screws go here like this. Maybe a different one, different bit will be better. There you go. Right, that's one done. Let's grab another one. Not so easy with these small screws and these big fingers. I can help, I can do like that. There you go. This one's not magnetic, so there you go, like that. And go in. There you go, and we can remove the magnets. Let's go in. There you go. Great, looks good. So we'll see. And now I'll need this bit. I think I need this bit, not this one, because this one's not gonna fit properly. Here you go. This one fits very nicely. Here you go, and probably can fit that in like that, and it's gonna be on something like that. Yeah, okay, cool. Maybe I can put this on. Well, maybe I need to put it later. I'm not even sure which side it's gonna be. Oh well, later than later. I will need these PTFE tube, just a little bit to make a joints. There you go. So that's gonna be like that, and then this is gonna go some like that. There you go. And this one is gonna go like that. There you go. Yeah, great. Great. So I need now to have a sort of a, and do we have, oh, I have a few things here that I need to take out the, you can see there's some holes. There you go, one. And the second one. Great. Okay, so now I need to see how much of this I need. So I'm gonna take out quite a bit. There you go, like that. It would be better to do it with a knife. Oh well. So it's gonna go like this. Great, I have a knife. So, and it's gonna be a little bit above, something like this. So I'm gonna grab it and slowly gonna roll around like this. There you go. Maybe something like this. Let's measure. Measure. So if this is going to be like that, and this is going to go like that, there you go, very nicely. And then this is going to go like that. Let's see. Maybe a little bit I can cut just a smidge off. Okay, let's do that. Just a smidge off. There you go. And maybe there's a little bit here. There you go. Great, let's put that in. Let's put this in, and let's put this in and see if it's all right. Yeah, it's all right, should be all right. If we put this one in like that, there you go. This way, other way around, but oh well, moves. Great. So that's one done. I think I will need another one this size, but we'll check it later. Okay, and this one, and not this one needs to be a little bit, so let's put it in here, and again, I'm gonna take my bad one, and I'm gonna cut it like that. Here you go. And it's gonna be, let's see, it's gonna be almost like this, but a little bit shorter. So I'm cut it a little bit shorter. There you go. That's done. Let's see if that's gonna work. So it's gonna go in here, and then it needs to again go into here. Yeah, right, great. That's how it's gonna be. And this one can go in here like that. Great. Now I can put these things, these two together. I need to grab some bolts. Let's check what bolts do we need. Maybe these ones. Might be if we put like this. There you go, and like this. Yep, like this. Yep. And this is gonna go in here. Yeah, I would like a little bit maybe shorter. These ones, yeah, these ones shorter. Let's check, not too short. Maybe. No, not this one. And not this one. And where did I put the right one? We'll still need this one. Okay. Yeah, should be right. There you go. Yeah, it's gonna be alright. It's gonna be perfect. Yep, great. So let's unscrew this. There you go. So this one's there. Like that, and I will need another one. Like that. There's something here, I'm not sure what. We'll see, I guess, later. Okay, great. So I need to put this in. Think like that. Yeah, there you go. So that's in, and I can drop in this small in there. There you go, and I can remove like that. There you go. So that's how it needs to be there. Maybe we'll see. Great. Need to put different bit. There you go. So that's done. And then we will have this one. This one's gonna go here, or like this. No, definitely not like this. Like this. Then I can put this here. There you go, and I'm gonna try and put all the bits in their places. Here you go. Cool. Great. This goes here, this goes here. Let's screw that in. And another one. Okay, great. That's done. It's gonna be, yeah, so it's oh, it's like that, and then it does like that. Okay, cool. Cool. So now I need to put this bit in like this. Yeah. Right. So I need, and this is gonna go like that. Okay, and this is gonna go like that. So I need to put heat inserts in here. Let's turn the iron in. Let's grab some inserts. Great. This one's done. I'm gonna put another one. Like this. There you go, great. Turn off. There you go. So now I need a few more bits of PTFE tube. Let's do that. I'm gonna go towards my sacrificial bit. There you go. I'm gonna cut it down like that. I'm gonna measure 1, so it's gonna go into here. It doesn't want to go into here very easily. Why is that? Let's try maybe. There you go. It's not easy, but it goes in. Great. Think I want to take this out and make it a little bit shorter, and also another one. So I'm gonna just a smidge. There you go, and I'll take another one so you can see. I will do it like that. So there you go. So let's put it up there, and it doesn't need to be perfect, but here. You go like this and something like that. There you go. Cool. I'm gonna take a little bit out of that. That's fine. Great. And now can put it here. And I'm gonna take this like that. And like that. Gonna squash it so it will go in. Looks like it's in. Okay. Do a little bit more. There you go. And maybe I can take a little bit off. There you go. And a little bit off. Maybe a little bit more. There you go. Something like this. There you go. There you go. There you go. So it's gonna be like that, and it's gonna go like that in. There you go. Great. So now I can put some bolts in here. Let me try and find maybe these ones. Let's check. No, yeah, it's gonna be the same. These ones. Great. Let's put in there. And those are these ones. Maybe these ones. No, this one's too short. Okay, cool. Let's put it in and let's screw this in. It's a little bit too long. I don't like it. I like it to be shorter. Let's see these ones. It might not be. Okay, yeah, these ones gonna be fine. Alright, this one's done. There you go. That's great. Now we can add this one like that. So let's check. Yeah. There you go, like that. Let's screw that in. And there you go. We have a Klicky deploy thingy. So if I put a Klicky, which I'm not gonna use, like that, There you go. So when it needs to take, it's gonna go like that, and the print head gonna take it away, and then it retracts, and printer can print or do the mesh bed leveling and all of that. And then when it needs to go back, it retracts like that, and print head moves here. No, so print head moves here, and then it takes like that, and print head moves away, and then it retracts, and then printer can print again. Okay, great. Looks good. Please subscribe and see how I'm gonna install it to the printer.